wonderful, welcome back. You are watching DS Creation 7. Pasta is our family meal, especially kids' favorite. Let's prepare my style beef pasta. For that, we'll require pasta. I have used tortellini pasta, some French beans. Here I'm using cherry tomatoes. You can use any tomatoes. Some spring onions, corn, carrots, bell pepper, and mince. You can check out my mince recipe. The link is on the screen and also in the description box below. If you are new to my channel, do show me some love by subscribing, sharing, and click on the like button. Let's cook the pasta. In a vessel, add in water, add few drops of olive oil. When the water is boiling hot, add in the pasta, add salt for your taste. Stir the pasta well. In a pan, add in oil, add in the capsicum and saute it for a minute on high flame. Once ready, keep it aside. In the same pan, add in French beans and carrot. Saute it on high flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now let's check on the pasta. It's ready. It took me around 12 minutes to cook the pasta. Add in tomatoes, saute it. Add the corn. I have used frozen corn, therefore it will take me less than a minute to get it cooked. Time for spring onions. Once ready, keep it aside. I have used high flame throughout the cooking. In a pan, add the cooked mince, some tomato and chili sauce. Cook it for 5 to 7 minutes. Now, let's add in everything and give a good mix. Cook it for around 3 minutes. Garnish it with spring onions and cheese as per your taste. Thank you for watching. See ya until my next video. Amor amor.